This is Olena, and I'm Isaac. Our many adventures take us high and low, fast and slow, near and far. Subscribe to the Travel Bug Bite today!
This is one of the snowiest years we've had in a long time in Rhode Island. I was actually talking to a student who's 8 years old, and I asked, are you used to this kind of snow? Like, are you from Rhode Island? She's a new student, and she said, yeah, I've been in Rhode Island my whole life, but we never really had this much snow. And I was like, whoa, wait, yeah, you're 8 years old, and you, like, the last few years, maybe you'd have one snowstorm like this, and this has been happening, like, weekly. It's awesome.
Can you explain what we're looking at?
We're looking out over, gosh, I always forget the name of the coast.
Doesn't matter the name.
Yeah, across from us is the Warwick City Park, and we're at Oakland Beach is down there. Iggy's is down there, and there's I think it's called Buttonwoods Cove or something like that is over there. So
I kind of mean people think we're looking at a lake.
Oh yeah, this is actually right next to the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Narragansett Bay in Rhode Island. So
and it's frozen.
Yep, it's really cool. It's salt water.
We saw some ducks walking on it the other day.
Yeah, just don't do it if you're a deer, like we saw in the news.
Polish deer got themselves into trouble.
Yeah, gorgeous. That's like twice as far, but maybe get some chowder.